How to create AI videos with Google Flow. First, open the Google Flow app on your phone and sign in with your Google account if you have not signed in yet. Next, tap an existing project or select Plus New to create a new project. In the prompt box, describe the video you want to generate. Be specific about the subject, action, environment, lighting, camera movement, and visual style for better results. Now, tap the generation type at the bottom right and select Video. Then choose your preferred orientation, number of outputs, model, and video length. You can also add an image as a reference by tapping Add Image. This is useful when you want to keep a specific character, product, or visual style consistent. Once everything is ready, tap Generate Image and wait for Google Flow to create your AI video. After your video is generated, you can preview it, create additional versions, or use the Animate option to turn an existing image into a video. That's it! You've successfully created an AI video with Google Flow. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more AI tools, Google tutorials, and AI video generation guides.